Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today we have a 10-minute, no foundation, glowy, summery, everyday makeup look tutorial. I thought I'd do this because the sun's come out lately and I'm just inspired by the glowy summery makeup look, so here we are. So before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see from me this summer. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so this is going to be a 10-minute summery, glowy, everyday makeup look. It's not going to be like this amazing, like creative makeup, but it's 10 minutes of makeup. Let's go. Okay, so I'm first going to start off with my base. I've obviously done my skincare, which if you haven't seen my daily skincare routine, go check that out. It's one of the previous videos. It's my affordable skincare routine. So I've done like my SPF and stuff like that. But I'm going to go in with the Grace's Faces Moisturising Priming Base from the Beauty Crop. This stuff is so unreal if you want like a hydrating base. So lovely. So this will act as a moisturiser and primer in one, which is so handy and amazing if you are running out of time or you don't have long to do your makeup. I love a 2-in-1 product, and I'm pretty sure this is for all skin types as well. Obviously, if you watch my videos, you'll know I like to go in with at least 2 primers because I like to hydrate and then I like to go in and correct my pores. So this is the Made by Mitchell Pore Paste. This stuff is so good for cancelling out the texture of pores, and I just love it. It just smooths my makeup and makes my skin look really smooth. So I just focus that on the T-zone area here. I'm going to go in with a little bit of under eye colour corrector. Again, like I said, if you watch my videos, you'll know I can't live without a colour corrector because I have really dark circles under my eyes. This is the Bobbi Brown corrector in the shade Peach. Just looks like this. Pop that gently under my eyes with my finger. I always like to go in with my finger for this product because it really like softly blends it. Okay, so as the title states, I'm not using any foundation today because when I don't have time, I don't like to put foundation on. Sometimes I even just put concealer on. But I am going to go in with the HMB Soft Focus Luminous Glow Tint because this, even though it's like a foundation, it's not. It's a tint. And this is in the shade GT5, by the way. Always forget my brushes. Oh, I haven't turned my lights on. Oh, that's much better. I'm of course going to blend that out with the matching brush. I haven't got any fake tan on at the moment, which really annoys me. But I've had a lot going on and I can't be bothered. This matches me perfectly when I'm not tanned. If you do want to know my tan shade, I wear GT9, I believe. But look how glowy and stunning that makes your skin look. If you haven't used this before, I highly suggest you try it. You will not be disappointed. I promise you. Okay, so I have a few blemishes, so I'm going to pop that on the spot now so it soaks in. I'm going to use the Rimmel Multitasker Concealer. Let that marinate and dry down whilst I use my cream bronzer. This is the Liquid Blush in Shady Business from Made by Mitchell. I haven't used this type of blush in a while, but he's got an offer on at the moment on TikTok Shop, so definitely go check that out if you haven't already. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand to begin with because I know these dry down quite a lot. I know these dry down quite quickly, so I'm just going to dab it out on the back of my hand. If I didn't say already, I'm using the shade Shady Business. These do dry down more matte, so just be wary of that. I don't think these are as pigmented though, and I think he's going to discontinue these. And then I'm going to take Sweet Cheeks from Made by Mitchell again. This is such a old school summer shade, so that's why I am using it. Look how easy that blended out, and it's still got that glow to my skin. It hasn't taken away any glowiness. After my concealer, I'll show you a shimmery one to go on top, but I like to do it after my concealer. But like I said, I'm going in with the Rimmel Multitasker Concealer, and I'm sorry, I don't know the shade. I think it's light. I can sort of see, but it's stupid. They put it on the end here and it rubs off all the time. I really love this shade. It goes well when I'm not tanned and when I'm tanned as well. And let that sit for a second. Okay, so I'm just going in with a brush now and blending mostly the edges out, and then I'm going to fully blend it out with a sponge. Just to merge everything together, I'm going in with a sponge. And then to keep it quite soft and like still got the glow there, I don't want to set it down with like loose powder today. I'm going to go in with pressed powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in 100 translucent, so it's the one with no colour. And I'm going to take that on my powder puff, tap that off on my hand, make sure I haven't got any creasing. This is quite a pigmented powder, which I really like because I have combination skin and I love how brightening that made my eye. Oh, I forgot to go in this. After that, I'm going to go in with some setting spray. This is the Amelia Olivia by the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Mist. Just going to set that down and then I'm going to apply this. So this is the Made by Mitchell Blush Light in the shade Pink Lynx. And I'm going to use this as like a blush topper before my powder blush. So I've just popped it on the back of my hand. Look how stunning that is. And I'm just going to go in with my sponge and blend that into my sponge really well. I'm actually scared to do that on top of powder because I accidentally put my powder on before. It actually looks really, really nice. It's all about the glow today, guys. Now I'm going to take the Made by Mitchell Bronze Pods in the shade Corn Syrup. I do need to get a lighter shade because this one's like ever so slightly too dark. This is quite pigmented, so you don't need a lot, and it's got shimmer in there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but okay, that is pigmented. That was way too much, Liz. I'm gonna have to soften that with a sponge, I think. Just be careful with these because they are heavily pigmented. They are very, very pigmented. I love the glow that these give. You couldn't have bought these out in a better time. Note to self, don't apply too much. I keep forgetting that I don't have tan on, so I need to be careful. Okay, so then for blush, I'm going to go in with the Doll Beauty Glow Getters in the shade Vacation. This has hands down got to be one of my favourite blushes of all time. Well, blush toppers, I should say. This is going to tie so nicely with the Made by Mitchell blush combination. It's like the perfect pink shade as well. Look how glowy I look, guys. Love it. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on. I'm just going in with the YSL Lash Clash in black. I really want to get the brown one because I love the look of the shade of the brown. Gotta look so far down in the mirror so I don't get on my lid. Just gonna put a little bit of a pencil through my eyebrows, just like at the bottom. This is the Beauty Bay pencil. I think it's like the micro pencil. Freshly dyed them yesterday, so I don't necessarily need much in them, which is always handy, especially if I'm in a rush. Okay, I'm gonna go off and do my hair, sort myself out. Ow, I just whacked my elbow. And sort myself out, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look and do my lips. Okay, I've done my hair-ish. It looks alright. But now I'm going to go in with lip liner. This is the Doll Beauty Boy Bye lip liner, and I absolutely love these. Now I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario Nude Glow Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum in the shade Nude Glow. I kindly got gifted these from Makeup by Mario, which is absolutely insane. Like, wow. They're plumping. I love a lip product that plumps my lips. So I just tried all of these on and my lips are plumping. I love a lip plumping product. Amazing. So that is my quick everyday 10-minute no foundation makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and obviously it's summer inspired because I've got a glow going on. Look at my skin. Absolutely stunning. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below and let me know what videos you would like to see from me. And also, if you aren't already, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you want to see more tutorials, makeup looks from me. I hope you all have a lush day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!